History of the hack. So hackathons were started in about the 1990s as a way for technology companies to come together and start to innovate and create new ideas. The first known official hackathon was in 1999 with a company called OpenBSD on an open source operating model project. In the 2000s is when hackathons started to gain in popularity, where universities, organizations, and companies started to use it as a way to bring their team together and come up with new and innovative ideas to help build culture and all sorts of different things. In 2024, MI Academy is bringing together hack games for the 5th time, and we are going to be helping charities. So we're going to be using the collective minds of the industry to help us to come up with great ideas to help charities and build a successful future together. Hack Games is going to give you the frameworks for innovation, but it's also going to teach you how to use those frameworks time and time again. So if you want to learn about how to use innovation in your business properly and how to use it to eventually gain efficiencies, Hack Games is definitely a must-attend event for the year.